is Robert Walker, and I'm with the Southeast Nostalgia Drag Race Group. We're just keeping the nostalgia cars, the old 57 Chevrolets and Willises and all the cars they raced back in the 60s. We're dragging them back out and racing them today. It's kind of a sport where, you know, a lot of the guys can build their own cars. It gives them a chance to go out and not only show their car off, but get to compete with it.
So, you ready to go?
I'm getting close to...
I see the problem right now.
What's the problem?
That blower's not big enough.
I just found this car on Craigslist, and it was just a real street car, and after that I put this big engine in it. I put the straight axle front end under it and just turned the old 57 Chevrolet into a race car. Back when I bought the car, it was pretty rough, and I paid about $8,000 for it. I've been racing cars and motorcycles my whole life, and it's something I enjoy doing, the mechanical aspect of it and building something that's kind of one of a kind that's your ideas. It's a real big part of it. It's just working on the cars. It's just a hobby where you don't make a lot of money. There is some money, but it's a lot of work, a lot of hours you have to dedicate to build one. Well, probably in this neighborhood, I'm probably the only guy out there doing it. They're a little bit too noisy. These cars make a lot of noise. Well, in our group, I think we have over 50 members. There's people from Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, Mississippi, the whole Southeast. There'll be guys coming to our races. Well, a lot of it is guys my age that have been fooling with cars their whole life.
In it or not. We started this group about 4 years ago. We just have a good party and then we go out there and try to race. We cut it off at 1974 because the 80s cars became pretty much one size fits all, so to speak, where they all kind of looked alike, kind of blended.
We also have a young girl that races with our group.
I have been drag racing my whole life. I went to Southeast International Dragway for the first time when I was 6 weeks old. This is all I've ever wanted to do. It's kind of nice to be a part of something from the past. You see a lot more unique cars. How often do you see a 33 Willis? I just have this attitude that I can do anything a man can. My dad has never cared once that I was a girl. He has always expected me to pick up my end of whatever he was picking up, and I think that's been invaluable. It's a little bit of a generational race. We might be from a slightly different generation. Good race.
Good race. It went really good for a time trial. We both had exactly the same reaction time.
Made for some great side-by-side drag racing.
That was really good. Good takeoff.
I had just a little bit more steam on the top end and came on around it.
my time run, and on that one I tried a little too hard and I did a red light, so there you go.
I won third round. We're going to the finals, hoping to take home the money and the trophy. Just had a good feeling about it. You wake up some days and know it's your day, and I thought today was my day and took home the money. $600.